Hey guys, this is Mike, and today I'm gonna upgrade my trailer. It's Wolf Pup 16 BHS, brand new one, 2021. Although it have already a little solar panel on top because the refrigerator run out of either 12 volts or 110. But it's not good enough to fit the battery if you like dry camping for the couple days. The battery or even two batteries quickly discharge, and this is not enough to charge the battery. That's why I decided to upgrade with what was that, 100 watt solar panel instead of this small one. That's not the first time I'm installing this, but this time I'm gonna do it different than I did before. Let me show you. Yes, obviously here I have my toolbox, and I think it was from Home Depot, liquid nails, heavy duty, and glass cleaner, of course, to clean up the surfaces before I mount it. And this is the Velcro. It's a 15 pound rate Velcro, so I think I will put it on Velcro first, and then I will go around with this heavy duty nails. So this is my solar panel. This is one I have left here, and I have a ladder here. Let me show you what's on top and how it's gonna looks like now. So this is the solar panel, the small one I mentioned before. But yeah, so the first step I'm gonna do, I'll find the proper space. This is MC4 connectors, so I have them on the solar panel as well, and it's pre-installed here, so I don't have to do this wiring job here. But the only thing I have to worry about is they have to reach the same connector here at top. I think more likely it's gonna be somewhere here, so this is Wi-Fi spot, not gonna be covered, so it's preferably have to be flat. Actually, this is first time I'm gonna go on top of my roof, and this is a vinyl, very sensitive, so I don't recommend you to go on top of your trailer without like extra needs. All right, let's go grab the solar panel and try to fit it somewhere here. All right. Oh my. That's how it looks like now. So I connect it first, so I know how far I can move it around, and I have a little thing to think about here. So the first position is here, and I can clearly do it here with no problem. So but this is one, it's extending a little up, and I'm not sure if I want to remove it because I don't know how they seal those holes. Actually, this is gonna be on top, so the holes, seal it first, and then put that one on top, and that's probably will cover the leaking concern I have here. Probably won't be an issue, and it's gonna be the cleanest way, so I don't have this one here. I can totally remove it, or just do not bother, because there is basically 1 2 3 4 on each side, 16 screws goes into the structure, and the other one is just installed here. So probably I will the best thing to do here is I will probably remove this one first and then install this one on top. That's probably the way I'm gonna go here. So that's a clean and nice way of doing that. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna expose this the nails, so I can oh yeah, so it's a square one. Fortunately, I should have those with me, so it shouldn't be a problem. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, luckily I was able to find it, so it's looking like that, and I'm gonna very carefully at the beginning. All right, yeah, so be ready. This is the one, goes off. Don't press too much because it's gonna be just we'll see. Yeah, I don't. All right, we'll see it later. Let's try to remove 2 other screws from here. All right, at this point I see it loose and easily comes off. I'll still cut this piece off, and I'll take care of the other side, and then we'll do final cleanup here. Alright, this is how it looks from upside down. Today is hot, so it's gonna be a little problem to have this silicone all around, but not a big deal. Alright, we'll put this aside, and I do the clean, and I will clean this as much as I can. I would not use a sharp. You probably have a better tool. I would not use a sharp objects here because it might hurt, so you don't want to cut your vinyl on top. But yeah, we will figure something out. I don't know what might work best, but we'll see. All right, yeah, it easily goes off completely just with this tool here. All right, one is almost done. Let's see if we can use, yeah, oh, perfect. Yeah, we can use this piece to make it 100% clean. Oh, nice, that's how it looks like now. I would probably use the same silicone to patch those holes. We'll see. Yeah, maybe later. Not a good idea. Maybe I have to use the new one here. So I will just do it from all around here. Right. Yeah, no, yeah. Alright, now it's nice and clean, and we can do the whole surface cleaning. I have this the glass cleaner spray, so I will just spray it all around. So next, I'm gonna use a Velcro, so I think I will touch it around six to seven pieces here. That's how I lay them down, so it comes up as 8 pieces here. Oh, nice. 8 pieces here, and I have my liquid nail, so I will go all around so I have no leaks inside first. It seals those holes, so there's 100% nothing goes inside. I believe it's self sealing, so it's gonna go inside, and I know my trailer and the whole structure going to be safe in this case. All right, so now what I'm going to do is first I will connect the solar panel to the connector here, and we'll try to lay it down equally and in parallel. I think I can do what I can do is like this side here first. Alright, and then I'll start from somewhere here and go all the way. Alright. Later on I might need to use some extension here, but I wouldn't care about this too much for now. So this is how it goes, and I will probably feels like I need to put something temporary on each side so it has some pressure on it, so when the silicone goes goes flat with the surface. And then I will seal another layer of all around, just to make 110% sure it's not gonna leak inside. Hey guys, yes, I made a mistake. I wasn't prepared. I didn't think about to put some weight on top of that. So preferably you have to have some distributed weight. So in this case, I have some trash bags, and they have on the parking lot, I have some gravel all around. So I make I fill 6 bags with the gravel and put it all around on top, because it's not like super flat surface, so it's gonna be all the way with that much space in between. So I think it's good for now. I will let it dry for a day or so, and then we'll come back and seal it around. So no water. That's a worse problem for you if the water comes into your trailer. So far that's how I ended up today, and I'll leave it like that, plugged in. So I already checked. So the first thing you're gonna do is you plug it in before you do anything, and check if it's give you some juice. You can see it on your solar controller if there is some electricity going into the battery. So you're good. You go and seal it. So until this moment, don't do anything. All right, I'll probably will wrap up for today, and we'll come back tomorrow for more work here. So see you tomorrow.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, it was a little windy today, so it passed today actually for me to come back, and as you can see, I installed it and look clean and nice to me. So if you are about to do the same upgrade, I wish you good luck, and do not repeat my mistakes. All right, bye bye guys.